Hello, we're going to be talking about making time entries for your employees to job cost them. Clicking on 2020 in the top of the screen, I'm going to first go into Human Resources. From there, I'm going to Payroll and Employees. I've already created an employee, me, logged in as the administrator here. I'll just go into that record, edit it, and take a look. So the person has a first name, perhaps a middle initial, a last name, give them an employee number. You can use letters in there as well. And you'll link them to a contact in your system. So your employees should be listed as contacts in your directory. All right, further below, in their tab for HR settings, we want to go to this field for timesheet cost and enter a value, the amount per hour that you want their time to be costed to a job. Let's save that when finished. Then we can simply go into the Project Center, find a project that you want to enter time onto, and we'll do this through a daily log. There's a smart button up here for daily logs. Going to create a new one. Daily log has today's date. Moving down, we see a tab for time entries. If I click on that, I can add an item. It puts the date in there as well. Lists the employee I'm logged in as. If I had other employees listed, I could choose them here as well. It relates it to this project. I want to choose an analytic account for this line item. I'll say project management. Fantastic. What class here? Well, we've set some of these up ahead of time. We're going to choose hourly now. And what pay code? We'll just choose regular. It does not do any factoring for overtime. Everything goes in as straight time here. So then how many hours did the person work, and do you have any notes? You see the status is to submit. That's another part of the workflow. We'll go through approving that. I'll move through that line, start another line perhaps, enter a different analytic account, same information here, and that maybe 2.5 hours. Fantastic. All right, so when you're done, you can save that. So I have a new daily log in the system. What else did that do though? Well, let's take a look back at the project. So in the project, the cost details so far, this is a new project. I have no cost details. There's been no cost entries or revenue entries to this particular project. If I go to the time details, it shows 2. Those just came in from my daily log. I'm going to select one or more of them. I'll take all of them here. That gives me an option button at the top of the screen. I'll click that and I'll simply approve the time entries. The status will change from to submit to approved. Going back to the project, looking at my cost detail, I now have 2 line items, one for an hour at $46, another for 2.5 hours at $46 per hour is $115. If I open up and look at the details, it tells me their labor costs. I can drill down further into them to see other information if I have permission to do so. So now that leaves you with job cost entries into your project. It does not make any general ledger entries. These are job cost entries only. And they're negative numbers here because they are costs. Revenue entries, you may recall, show as positive numbers. And we hope that was helpful for you. Please contact us at 2020.io with any questions or suggestions for other videos. Thanks.